Hello there people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how I discovered how to get free coins and free games for Hungry Shark Evolved game using this awesome app called Hungry Shark Plus Plus. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS device. It's really not important. Just follow my steps. In this tutorial guys, I will show you how to download this app, how to use this app, and then we will test it all together. So let me open quickly this Shark Evolution Plus Plus app and go quickly through it. So what we got here guys, it's really simple. We will select our platform. So I will select Android because I'm currently using my Android phone, and enter coins amount and games amount. So I'll go with 1 million, same amount for games. And what we got down below guys, it's last Hungry Shark tweak was today, so it will probably work, I guess. So we will test it now. And we got the site of official it's official publisher of this app, so we will visit this website later in order to download this app. So let me click send, and let's wait a really small time. Okay guys, it's already done, and what we got here guys, it's success. Open Hungry Shark game. So I'm so excited guys. We need to test it now, so I will open my Hungry Shark game and let's test it together guys. Does it actually work? So we'll test it now. Okay, it's loading. Okay, what we got now guys? Okay, as you can see guys, it's going really fast, and I got 1 million gems and coins guys as I ordered. So let me show you guys how you can actually get this awesome app to inject your Hungry Shark with gems and coins. Go to Google or any browser you got guys, it can be Safari also, and go to this website. It's called appinjector.online, as we mentioned on the start, and scroll down and you will see Hungry Shark Plus Plus, or you can search it. I will go there and click just on download button, and we got guys official download page of Hungry Shark Plus Plus. So we got here user reviews, user ratings, and what we have to do here is just to click this blue install button and wait up to 10 seconds. It's usually faster guys. So when you click it, it will go full blue and download your Hungry Shark Plus Plus into your home screen like mine guys. If you're doing it for the first time guys, you will need to verify your device version. So go ahead, it won't take more than 2 minutes of your time guys. You will be asked to download 2 apps, so just go ahead. It's really easy guys. When you finish this downloading of 2 apps or doing 2 surveys, Hungry Shark Plus Plus will instantly start downloading to your device. And when you download it, don't open instantly, just restart your phone, then open it, and it will work perfectly guys. I did it to get these resources into my Hungry Shark game. And that's it for this tutorial guys. If you need any help, please reach me out in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching guys, and bye.